In the previous video, we took a look at appearance, one of the parameters for sorting materials around us. Now let's talk about a few more from the list. The next parameter is the nature of the material. Is it hard or is it soft? How do we define hard and soft? Hard substances are those which cannot be bent or molded. Soft substances, on the other hand, are those which can be easily bent or molded. So compression of materials when possible makes the material soft, while the material is said to be hard if it cannot be compressed. So the clothes that we wear are soft. Similarly, the plastic articles which can be easily bent with our hands can be included in this category. Which things do you think will be included in hard materials? Objects like the furniture in our homes, the vehicles we use, metal equipment, and so on are included in this list. Next criteria to sort the materials is understood by adding them to water. If you take 3 beakers with water and add stones in one, grains in the second, and salt in the third, what will happen after some time? Needless to say, the salt will disappear within no time, and the stones and the grains will remain the same. They will not be affected. So what is the parameter used to sort the materials here? It is solubility. Whether the materials are soluble or insoluble in water is how we categorize them. Some substances like large-sized sugar grains require more time and also stirring activity to enhance their dissolution. But they are still included in the group of materials that are water-soluble. The next parameter is based on the substances that are insoluble. Yes, materials insoluble in water are further sorted or categorized in parts. If you keenly observe the same 2 beakers of the previous activity, you will notice that all the stones in the beaker settle at the bottom. However, you can see the grains are still floating on the top. Can you guess what the next parameter is? Yes, the materials that can float on water or sink in it. Substances made up of plastic or any such lighter materials easily float on water. On the other hand, a few solid and heavy substances like the ones made up of metal cannot float. They are so heavy that they sink to the bottom of the container when added to water. This is how solubility and floating or sinking nature of materials can help us sort them in different categories. Next, we have a look at an interesting concept. It is the last parameter to sort out materials.